pop this in. Huh? You gonna take this out? What are you laughing at? Hey guys, Mommy Ann and the Wilsons on the go, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up this little futon that I'm sitting right down with the special help of Mr. Wilson. Take a look and link in the description below on what we got. Guess what we're having? Pick it up.
Why does it only sound like one piece? Is there a leg? Where are the legs at?
Easy to set up. That's it. What is this one?
Yeah, that's probably the legs.
Cool. Turn it around.
I knew they were. I saw that already.
Yeah, right.
I did.
Oh, you're almost done. Find the parts you need to finish assembly inside this product. Assembly inside this product.
One legs on.
Oh, Lord. Where is it?
Don't you got a stand for that?
I do got a stand for that, but I'm using it. So, how many of these? 4?
Well, hold on, wait on. What's that one for? You got 4 of them here.
4.
What's that for then?
I don't know. You gotta read and follow the directions.
Put the phone down and look for the directions.
That's it. It just says find.
What's the round one for?
Tara, Dad.
That's for the middle.
Yep. Easy to assemble. We had 4 of these. 2 are already in there. And you just have to pop this in. Huh? You gonna take this out? What are you laughing at? Man, are you sure it's not gonna fall on me?
Hold on. I'll save you.
Yeah, right. Are you my Captain America? You are.
Tighter. Tighter. One more. One more. And we got things tight. There you go. That's good.
Catch. And this one in the middle. Almost done. That's it.
Yeah.
Ooh. That is so low to the ground.
That's what you want, right?
Yep.
Now you gotta keep it.
You're right though, it's
So
not
now you
even
gotta-
white.
Huh?
It's not even white.
So you're gonna have to bring it. You gotta keep it right there.
Let me lay down.
When it's like that, it makes that look dirty compared to another white.
I
Remember I
see.
told you about the whites? You
I
should
know.
Just get a cover for it.
I have a cover. I'll put the cover right now. Would I fit? Oh. It just fits. It's like 5 feet.
Comfortable?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Let's see.
That's it. Now sit down.
No. There. Yeah, if you have guests right here, that's where you're gonna sit. Bye. Thank you.
That's it.
All right, so how do you think? Was it easy to put?
Super simple.
Would we recommend this product?
Yes.
Here's a like, yes, no, yes. All right, bye guys, thank you. And remember, do things that would make you happy. Mommy Anna and the Wilsons on the go. Bye.